Men buns rose to popularity in the early 2010s and they've been a staple of men's fashion ever since. While a well-done men bun can certainly give you a sleek and stylish look, it has also been linked to increased hair loss. So the question arises, could your men bun be the culprit behind receding hairline? Hi, I'm Janusz from HairPalace Hair Clinic, and as a patient coordinator I've accompanied the treatment of more than 1,500 patients in the past 5 years. Your men bun can lead to receding hairline, but not necessarily the way you think. A receding hairline is often the first sign of male pattern baldness. It typically starts with the temples moving backwards from the forehead, resulting in a more pronounced forehead and an M or V-shaped hairline. This condition is mostly genetic, meaning that you can have a receding hairline even if you wear your hair short. However, men buns can cause a different type of hair loss called traction alopecia. This is a form of hair loss caused by continuously putting tension on the hair follicles. It can lead to hairline recession, patchy hair loss, broken and frayed hair strands, and irritated scalp too. You see, tightly pulling the hair back in a men bun every day can easily lead to hair loss at the hairline. In fact, the process of making a men bun is basically the textbook definition of what causes traction alopecia. But let's quickly go over each way a men bun increases your chance of developing traction alopecia. Tightly pulling the hair. If the hair is pulled tightly when creating a men bun, it can exert continuous tension on the hair follicles. Over time, this constant pulling can weaken the follicles, leading to hair breakage and eventually hair loss. Heavy hairstyles. You need some length to create a men bun, however, the longer your hair is, the heavier it is too. The weight combined with the tension from the bun can strain the hair follicles even more and increase the risk of traction alopecia. Repetitive styling. Constantly styling the hair in a men bun and repeatedly pulling it back tightly puts stress on the hair follicles. If this is done frequently and for extended periods, it can contribute to hair loss too. Now, if you're an avid men bun enthusiast, this may have scared you a little bit. Everyone is different, so the risk mainly depends on individual factors, such as your hairstyle, thickness, overall hair health, and hair type. Plus, if you recognize the symptoms of traction alopecia early and promptly take corrective measures, there is a good chance of regrowing your hair. But if you don't want to give up your favorite hairstyle, there are a few things you can do to minimize the risks of hair loss. First of all, avoid wearing your hair in a tight men bun for extended periods. Give your hair breaks and let it loose without any tension. Using soft and loose hair ties or scrunchies instead of tight elastics or rubber bands to minimize the breakage. You should also try switching things up, and alternating between different styles can reduce the constant tension on the same areas of the scalp. And lastly, if you notice the signs of hair thinning, breakage or receding hairline, switch to a looser hairstyle and consult with a specialist. Getting a diagnosis and a tailored treatment plan can help to reverse the damage and keep your hair longer. What is your experience with men buns and hair loss? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every week, so you can take a look at success stories and learn more about hair restoration methods that can help you overcome hair loss once and for all. Thank you for watching.